Okay, let's look at 20D from the Unit 1 practice problems. Now, the first thing I got to do is get rid of that 10x so that I isolate the absolute values. So if I subtract 10x from both sides, I'm going to get 3x minus 2 equals, and that'll be negative 6x. Now, that's not necessarily a negative value on the right, because if x is negative, that whole term becomes positive. So that could still work. So at this point, we're going to split it up, because now the absolute value is isolated. So it's 3x minus 2 equals negative 6x, or the inside of the absolute values is the opposite of what that says. So just positive 6x. Now we can solve for the x's. So if I bring the x's over here, I'll get 9x minus 2 equals 0. Then I'll add 2 to both sides. X equals 2/9. Or over here, if I'll subtract the 3x and get 3x, and then divide by 3, negative 2/3 equals x. Oh man, these are terrible looking numbers, but okay, let's check them. Now, remember, you get calculators and stuff too, so you can do it that way if you prefer. I'm going to plug into the original. Oh. So it's 10 times 2/9 plus absolute value of 3 times 2/9 minus 2. And then we're checking, is that equal to 4 times 2/9? So I'm just going to plug this into a calculator that I have next to me here. 10 times 2/9, 29. And then let's see here. Plus, and then that's... Give me 1 second. 3 times 2/9 minus 2. Okay, this side is 3.5 repeating. And this side is 8/9. That can't work. So this is false. So therefore, x equals 2/9 is extraneous, right? This doesn't work. Let's check the next one. So the next one is negative 2/3. So check x equals negative 2/3. If we plug that in, that's 10 times negative 2/3. And we're adding absolute value of 3 times negative 2/3 minus 2, absolute valued. And we're checking, is that 4 times negative 2/3. Okay, so 10 times negative 2/3 is negative 6.6 repeating. This on the inside, 3, that's going to be negative 2 minus 2 more. That's going to be negative 4 on the inside. And this will be negative 8/3, which is negative, whoops. I'll turn that into a decimal for you. It's negative 2.6 repeating. Okay, so this is really negative 6.6 repeating plus absolute value of negative 4 is 4, which is negative 2.6 repeating. So this one checks out. So this answer is valid.